Hey Gone Jeepin' people, my name is Liam, as I hope you know, and I have someone I want to introduce you to. This is Matt with, and I'm going to make it sure I say this right, Terra Strada Design.
Correct.
And the Jeep Graphics Studio.
Yep.
Okay, so Matt, we are at the Mopar booth, and I'm sure you have the pleasure of showing us all of the work that you've done that's being exhibited here on this booth,
yes,
at this booth today.
Yeah, I'm very thankful to work with the product design office over at Stellantis, especially on these builds here. This one was really unique with the Surge build. When it got presented to me, the whole idea was taking this wonderful CJ and kind of putting the battery packs in it, putting an electrified motor into it. And we wanted to create something unique with the design package and the colors, with one, something that shows the 4xe, the future of what Jeep's going for, but two, using technology that we've created in our shop to 3D print designs. So most people, when they think 3D printing, they're thinking plastic, they're thinking metal. Most people are not thinking graphics. So when I got the graphic designs that were coming in from the design office, they showed me this Surge graphic. And so they wanted to do the circuit boards, but I was like, I would love to take it up to another level. So we figured out how to 3D print on vinyl to create 3D printed vinyl graphics. We can pretty much create any design texture that you want. And so when I was showing this for the first time, I was like, do you mind if I can take it up to the next level with our capabilities and technology and 3D print it? They loved it, and so we took it from here on the side to also on the engine cover.
I just love that.
Yeah, same style. And then we followed it around to the back of the car where the battery pack is, and added a nice large circuit board. So again, texture, it's something unique. Just gives it a little more character, and it's fun.
Yeah, you've got a lot of texture here, and you're saying this is a 3D printing, so it's like a layer by layer ink.
Yep, so we use a gel ink, and just like a normal printer builds up a base, it's the same thing. So we build it up mainly with all colors, then we lay a white layer on top, and then we add the actual finish color to create whatever look and finish someone wants.
You have so much, or so many options, I suppose, for color, and then I guess, am I seeing like a, maybe not in this one, but like a flake, or you can do kind of like some sparkle, or
it's the ink has a very like metallic-y finish based on what kind of material we're printing on. You'll get highlights, lowlights, but it does offer a really unique finish, like especially when the light hits it.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what else you've. Oh, we're looking at something down here. Four-wheel drive.
Electric four-wheel drive.
That's right.
Yeah. And so we can actually jump over to these Rams. I know they're not Jeeps, but these were two very fun projects. So over here, we have the Ram TRX Gold Shot. This was a graphics package that we created with the design office, working with those guys. This is probably one of my favorite projects we've done this year, just because one, it's a unique color, and two, it's a new way of just showing off some graphics that aren't out in the TRX world. Matt Hilborn, who did the design on this, created something really unique with the dual layered TRX logo. And it's been fun watching so many people like on Facebook forums comment about these graphics and the look of the truck, the color, and
so this is all a wrap. So you don't just do little stickers, you'll wrap an entire truck.
Yes, so this whole thing's a wrap. The bikes are wrapped. A lot of the stuff had to be done by hand just to kind of create a really unique look.
Yeah. Oh, and I love the, right here, the ghost.
The little ghost, our little Easter egg.
Yeah, little Gold Shot Easter egg.
Yep.
The gloss on the mat. That's a wonderful look.
Yeah, and if we go right next door, we've got the Ram Backcountry X concept. So the really unique thing about this build is the Ram packs. And so instead of just the regular storage on the side, they actually built it up. And for someone who's into overlanding, off-road, hunting, this is something that could be really unique. And I've been seeing a lot of great feedback, again, from the forums and online, of people who really like this design. I think this really has the potential to be a future product.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
Hopefully we can figure out how to do it with the Mopar brand, because I would use this on my truck in a heartbeat.
Absolutely, and I love how you're accenting the packs here with your graphics down the side, following that shape.
Yep.
And this is wrapped too, or no?
This whole truck is wrapped.
This is wrapped.
Yep.
Awesome.
So it's titanium silver, a satin black, and then this orange we custom made at my shop, just to kind of match the like the anodized look of the front badges and the Ram grille.
Right.
Love the way this one came out. It was kind of one of those ones, when you start it, it's like you can see it, and then when it came together, I was like, wow, I really like this. It was the color really works, and it's
got
a usable truck.
It's got a presence to it. I love it.
Then we can go over to probably one of the most famous vehicles here that's everyone's covered, which is the 20th Anniversary Rubicon. Yeah. This was shown at EJS this past year. This is the 20th anniversary concept, and this is also a full wrap. The design office came to me looking for a specific color, and this is the color that they chose, and it's actually beautiful. We got to do some unique things to where they sent us some graphic ideas, and then we added our touch by doing the textured printing, especially the roof or the hood graphic. That is a full textured print. It's cool because with our process, we can take your file, you could send me a custom graphic, and we can put it through our software and make it fully textured.
Oh, absolutely.
And so we can do one-off custom graphics for anybody. One thing you can't see, but I'm sure it's been covered, is the shifters in here are 3D printed, so they're stainless steel. There is another vehicle, the 41, that we can walk over to, that it's very easy to see.
That'd be great.
This is based on a Wrangler 4xe. This, actually, if we come to this side.
Go this way, yeah. I love this concept. I love any time they do the military-esque throwback.
So it's cool when they sent me the rendering of this and they wanted to do this type of finish. Instead of actually applying a sticker, we made stencils and then they painted over top of it and then added a grit to it.
And I love that, how it just kind of blends in.
Yep.
Oh, and you can feel the grit a little bit too.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're not just limited to stickers, you can do stencils. I mean, really,
sky's the limit.
Anything.
Bring me an idea.
Yeah, absolutely.
And one of the unique things when we looked at this concept was I really wanted to add our stainless steel 3D printed shifters. And so they wanted a like Warren brass kind of like military look. And so what we did is we printed those out of stainless and then we Cerakoted them and then we added 2 layers of Cerakote. One was kind of the bronze finish. The other one was like a black to kind of give it that like worn, torn look. And I was super happy with the way they came out. So it was a fun year. It's so cool to have so many vehicles to be a part of in the Mopar booth. And, you know, really excited about what we're doing for next year.
Yeah.
And we got some projects lined up already and really showcasing some of our 3D printing and capabilities and car builds.
Absolutely. Well, and rumor has it that you have some graphics that are outside of this booth over at Quadratec as well.
I do. I have some graphics in Quadratec, Catskin, outside in Tremec. So we've got quite a bit here, and it's very exciting from going from 2 vehicles last year to over 15 this year.
Oh man, business is good, and I mean everyone's going to see these graphics and they're just going to want some.
That's the plan.
Want some.
We'll get you taken care of.
Oh, good. All right, guys. Well, this is Liam for Gone Jeepin'. Blah blah blah. This is Liam for Gone Jeepin', and I'm talking to Matt, and I'm stumbling over my words because my jaw's on the floor from all the graphics. So stay tuned, and maybe we'll be working with Matt more in the future.
Appreciate it.